Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the CLABEL Label Maker Machine with tape, a 221B thermal inkless label printer that's been making waves in the world of labeling solutions. This tiny powerhouse is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you label and organize your space, whether you're a small business owner, a crafter, or simply someone who loves to stay organized. One of the most significant advantages of the CLABEL Label Maker Machine is its ability to offer no-bound labels 100% cost-saving freedom. Say goodbye to expensive proprietary label paper and hello to the flexibility of choosing affordable options. This means you can save a substantial amount of money in the long run, which is perfect for small businesses or individuals looking to keep their costs down. The freedom to choose your labels also means you can pick the size, material, and design that best suits your needs, making this label maker incredibly versatile. Another feature that truly stands out is the simple but powerful app that comes with the CLABEL Label Maker. By downloading the Clabel Trade app from Google Play or App Store, you can set up your label maker in minutes. The app provides many ready-to-use label templates to boost your efficiency, and you can also set up and save your own templates. This means you can create custom labels for your products, gifts, or files with ease, and the app's user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to navigate. Whether you're looking to label your products for a small business or create custom gift tags, this app has got you covered. The CLABEL Label Maker also boasts inkless high-quality printing, thanks to its direct thermal technology. Equipped with high-speed chips, you can enjoy high-definition printing without relying on ink or toner. This not only saves you money, but also reduces the hassle of constantly replacing ink cartridges. The Bluetooth Label Maker Machine supports label widths of 25 to 50 millimeters, and the label printer comes with a label tape placed in the paper bin, making it easy to get started right out of the box. The print quality is exceptional, with clear and crisp text that's perfect for labeling products, files, or gifts. The portability of the CLABEL Label Maker Machine is another significant advantage. Weighing in at just 8.4 ounces, this lightweight label maker fits easily in your bag or hand, making it perfect for printing on the go. The machine is compatible with iOS, Android, and PC, and you can connect effortlessly to your phone via Bluetooth or to your computer using a USB cable. This means you can take your label maker with you to events, meetings, or to your office and print labels whenever you need to. The portability and ease of use make this label maker a must-have for anyone who needs to label products or files regularly. The CLABEL Label Maker Machine has a wide range of applications and uses, making it an incredibly versatile tool. From small businesses to crafters, this label maker can be used to label products, gifts, files, and more. You can create custom labels for your products, including barcodes, QR codes, prices, dates, and ingredients. The machine is also perfect for labeling gifts, files, and documents, making it a great tool for anyone who loves to stay organized. With its ease of use, high-quality printing, and portability, this label maker is an essential tool for anyone who needs to label products or files regularly. In conclusion, the CLABEL Label Maker Machine with tape is an incredible piece of technology that offers a wide range of benefits and features. From its cost-saving freedom to its simple but powerful app, inkless high-quality printing, and portability, this label maker is a must-have for anyone who needs to label products or files regularly. Whether you're a small business owner, a crafter, or simply someone who loves to stay organized, this label maker is sure to revolutionize the way you label and organize your space. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the CLABEL Label Maker Machine with tape today and start labeling like a pro. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews and discoveries. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.